Hello dear students, welcome to the online class. This is Sonia Akhtar, lecturer English 34th BCS, Government Hargonga College, Munchiganj. Dear students, you can see on the screen that this is the part 3 of the lecture on pronoun referencing. In my previous lecture, I have shown you some rules of using pronoun correctly according to number and person. Today, I will show you some rules to use pronoun correctly according to gender, possessive and relative pronoun. Dear students, this is another part of relative pronoun and it is according to gender, possessive and relative pronoun. So, the rule number 1 is, you can see on the screen that I have written some words. These are everyone, anyone, anybody, everybody, someone, somebody. Some indefinite pronouns you can see. And after these words, dear students, I am saying rule number 1. Listen to me very carefully and attentively. This is the rule number 1. Okay? After these words, everyone, anyone, etc. After these words, the pronoun should be gender neutral. After these words, the pronoun should be gender neutral. Okay? After these words, the pronoun should be gender neutral. And after these words, generally we use they, them, their, etc. Okay? So let's see an example. Example number 1, you can see that everyone is studying hard for their exam. Everyone is studying hard for their exam. Okay? After the word everyone, I have used pronoun there. After the word everyone, the pronoun is here, there. Okay? Next one is, if anyone knock at the door, tell them I am out. If anyone knock at the door, tell them I am out. Okay? After the word anyone, I have used the pronoun them. Okay? Another one is, look at the screen. I have written something for you. Each of, any of, every of plus noun. Each of, any of, every of plus noun. Okay? If you see a noun connected with each of or any of or every of, then after this we have to use a pronoun which may be singular or plural. Okay? After these words is connected with a noun, you may use a singular or plural pronoun. Okay? If the gender is unclear, then you can use they or his or her. If the gender is unclear, then you can use they, his or her. Example number 1, each of the girls went to her class. Each of the girls went to her class. Okay? Next one is, many of the babies are out of their room. Many of the babies are out of their room. After babies, I have used the pronoun their because baby is a common gender and we can't define it is he or she. So I have used here their. Okay? Because the gender is unclear. Another one is, each of the students explained it in their own way. Dear students, you can use here their or his or her because the gender is unclear. Rule number 3, look at the examples. The second one is correct. Okay? I have written here incorrect, but the second one is correct. Dear students, look at the example. Ria's fingers were strumming the guitar when she looked at Kia. Ria's fingers were strumming the guitar when she looked at Kia. Dear students, look at the subject Ria's finger. Here the head word is finger. Head word is finger. Our subject is Ria's fingers and the head word is fingers. Okay. So the rule for this sentence, you know, possessive acts as adjective. Possessive works as an adjective. So therefore we can't use pronoun instead of possessive. Okay, we can't use pronoun instead of a possessive. Rather we should use noun. Okay, rather we should use noun. Here Ria's fingers, it's a possessive, it's an adjective, so we can't use pronoun against it. Here the head word is finger, but I have used the pronoun she. It's not correct. You can understand it's not correct because here our subject is Ria's fingers and the head word is finger, so we can't use she as pronoun instead of Ria's finger. Rather we should use the noun here. Okay, the second sentence is the correct one, you can see. So the correct answer is Ria's fingers were strumming the guitar when Ria looked at Kia. I have used Ria here, the noun, as the correct answer. Okay. So the next one, dear students, you can see a sentence here. I know the man which came here yesterday. These are relative pronoun related. These are relative pronoun related. I know the man which came here yesterday. What is wrong here? At first listen to me attentively. At first listen to the rule very carefully. If the relative pronoun indicates a human, and if it works or acts as the subject of the next verb, came is a verb here and which is working as subject of this verb. So our rule is, if the relative pronoun indicates a human, and if it works as the subject of the next verb, then we should use who. As relative pronoun. Okay, here we have to use a relative pronoun and it should be who, because our subject is a human being, and after this relative pronoun verb is came, and the relative pronoun is working as the subject of this verb. Okay, so we have to use here who. So the correct answer is, I know the man who came here yesterday. Next one is, look at the example very carefully. The woman is a doctor who I saw yesterday. What is wrong here? I have used a human being as subject, and the relative pronoun is also who. So what is wrong here? Dear students, this is also wrong. Why? So listen to me very carefully. The rule for this sentence is, if the relative pronoun indicates a person or human being, and if it works as the object, okay, if it works as the object, then you have to use as relative pronoun whom. Here our subject is human being, this is right. But the relative pronoun is working as object, not subject. In the previous rule, in the previous example, the relative pronoun was working as subject, but in this sentence the relative pronoun is working as object. So who is not correct here? Here we should use whom, okay, because the relative pronoun is working as object. So the woman is a doctor whom I saw yesterday. This is the correct answer. The woman is a doctor whom I saw yesterday. Rule number 6. This is also related to relative pronoun. So look at the example very carefully. Here I have written, I know a rickshaw puller which daughter is a doctor. I know a rickshaw puller which daughter is a doctor. Okay, so listen to me. If the relative pronoun is indicating a human, again human here also, if the relative pronoun is indicating a human being or human being subject, and if it works as possessive, okay, here the relative pronoun is working as possessive, then the relative pronoun will be whose. If it is working as possessive, in this sentence the relative pronoun is working as possessive, okay. So which is not correct here? Here we have to use whose. The relative pronoun should be whose, okay. So the rule is, if the relative pronoun is indicating a human being, okay, it is indicating a human being, a rickshaw puller is a human being, and it is working as possessive, okay. So which is not correct here? Here we should use whose as relative pronoun, okay. So the correct answer is, I know a rickshaw puller whose daughter is a doctor. Here whose is a it is working as possessive, okay. Jar may, okay, it is a possessive. Rule number 7. Look at the example at first. Teaching is a profession who is full of challenge. It is wrong. This is the incorrect one. So why is it incorrect? We know it is incorrect, but why? Let's listen to the rule. Listen to me very carefully. Except human being, okay, except human. In case of animal, baby or object, in case of animal, baby or object, we can use which or that if it works as subject, okay. Except human being, in this sentence you can see that our subject is not a human, so except human being, yeah. In case of other animal, baby or object, in any object we can use which or that as relative pronoun, okay, which or that, if it works as subject, because it is works as subject, okay. So the right answer is, teaching is a profession which is full of challenge. Again the next one. Look at the example. There is a chair which leg is broken. There is a chair which leg is broken. You know it is incorrect. So listen to me very carefully. In case of lower class animal, baby and other things, in possessive position, okay, in possessive position, if the position is possessive, if the relative pronouns position is possessive, we use of which or that, we use of which or that. So the correct answer is, there is a chair of which leg is broken. There is a chair of which leg is broken. Okay, hope you have understood very well. So this is for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.